If you're watching this video because you're tired of searching for online jobs that either ask you to pay money upfront, require a laptop you don't have, or turn out to be a scam, then you're in the right place. Maybe you're a stay-at-home mom looking for extra income, a fresh graduate searching for your first online job, a business owner who wants another stream of income, or maybe you simply have a smartphone and a reliable internet but you don't know where to start. The good news is there are real companies paying people in US dollars for completing genuine online works, okay, or job. And some of these opportunities can be started with just your smartphone. In today's video, I'll show you 5 legitimate platforms where you can earn in USD without needing years of experience. And make sure you stay until the end, because the 5th platform is one that many beginners overlook, yet it has helped ordinary people earn hundreds of dollars by completing simple online tasks. Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, this is the Creative Susan's YouTube channel where I help beginners use AI tools to solve real problems, create content, find opportunities, and make money online. So if you're interested in this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel and let's get started. So let's head over to platform number 1. The first platform is called Outlier AI. If you've been hearing everyone talk about artificial intelligence, this is one way everyday people can benefit from it. Outlier works with companies building AI systems. They hire people to review AI responses, compare answers, write prompts, and help improve how AI performs. Okay, now here is what I like about this particular platform. You don't need to be a software engineer to work with them. If you can read carefully, follow instructions, and communicate well in English, you may qualify for certain projects. Some assignments are mobile friendly. Although Outlier projects are usually easier on a computer, they pay in US dollars and the amount varies depending on the project and your qualifications. I'll leave the website on the screen so you can check it out, whether they are currently accepting applications from your location. But don't go anywhere, because the next platform is perfect for people who enjoy talking to others. The second platform is Cambly. A lot of people think that they need to be professional teachers before they can earn from speaking English. That is not true, because Cambly connects English speakers with native or fluent speakers for real conversation. Instead of teaching complicated grammars, many sections simply involves chatting naturally, like using your day-to-day English that you normally speak, and helping learners become more confident. If you're comfortable speaking English just as I am speaking with you, you have a quiet environment, that's another requirement, and have a stable internet connection, this could be worth exploring. Payments are also made in US dollars. One thing I always recommend is practice your communication skill before applying to this particular job. A good first impression can increase your chances of getting accepted. Now, if speaking isn't really your thing, don't worry, because the next platform is definitely for you. The next platform pays people for creating short videos, even if you don't have thousands of followers. Platform number 3 is Join Brands. This is one of my absolute favorite opportunities, because brands are no longer looking for influencers. They are looking for everyday people like you. Your job is to create natural looking product photos or short videos that brands can use in their advertising. Okay, notice something important here. They are paying for your content, not your followers count. So even if you have a brand new social media account, you can still apply for campaigns if you meet the requirements. And here is the best part: everything can be filmed with a good smartphone. You don't need a laptop for this. No expensive cameras, no professional studios, just good lighting, yes, clear audio, and creativity. Now I want to be honest with you, okay? At the time of making this video, this particular platform, which is or site called Join Brands, is not generally available to most African countries. However, some people access it using a strong paid VPN. So please make sure you understand the platform terms of service before attempting that, okay? So if creating video is not your strength, the fourth platform might be much easier for you. So guys, let's move over to the number 4 on the list. The number 4 on the list is called Clickworker. Okay, I know many of you have heard of Clickworker, but you have not really utilized this opportunity. Think of Clickworker as a marketplace, okay, for simple online tasks. Depending on what's available, you could be categorizing information, collecting data, completing short research tasks or surveys, or helping the AI related projects. The tasks usually don't require advanced experience. You simply complete the work you're qualified for and you get paid. It's also a great platform for beginners who are just starting up on online. They want to make money online and they are just starting as a beginner, because you can gradually build experience while learning how online work operates, okay? Now we've reached the final platform, and honestly this is one that many people ignore, even though companies spend millions of dollars every year looking for people to do exactly this. The fifth platform is user testing. Companies want to know whether their websites and mobile apps are easy to use, okay? So they pay real people to test them. Here is how it works. You receive a testing opportunity when you sign up to this platform. You will receive a testing opportunity. You open the website or app with your phone, then you complete simple tasks while speaking your thoughts aloud. There is no wrong or right answers when it comes to this one. You just relate your experience. For example, you might say, I can't find the checkout button, or this page is confusing, or just what they need is just your honest feedback to help these companies improve on their products or services. So some tests can even be completed directly from your smartphone. Payments are made in US dollars for completed and accepted tests. If you enjoy exploring apps and websites, this is definitely one to look into. Before you apply for any of these platforms, remember this: no legitimate company can guarantee you earn money immediately. Some require qualification tests, some have waiting lists, and availability depends on your country. So take your time, read the application requirements carefully, and apply only through the official website. Don't just go and click on any site and just apply, okay? Apply through the official website. Remember, you have to be careful online. Now I would love to hear from you. Which of these 5 platforms are you going to try first? Comment in the comment section, because I would really love to know. Let me know in the comments below, please. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel. I drop videos every week. Every week I share legitimate remote job opportunities, AI tools, and online income opportunities that can help you earn from anywhere in the world. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and bye for now.